Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to this settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and now in the capture category at the second place we have geotagging option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and also we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo. Let's tap on the center to get access to the gallery options, and now let's move to the right corner at the bottom to more. Here we have to slide a little bit down and pick the details. And now at the third position we have the location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.